Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 7.3 of chapter permutation and combination. So first I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. How many three-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits? How many three-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9, 1 से लेके 9 तक? If no digit is repeated, it means that all the digits are different. How many three-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? So हमको कितने डिजिट्स दिए हुए हैं 1 से लेकर 9 तक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 सो टोटल डिजिट्स हमारे पास हो गए 9 दैट मींस आवर n equals to 9 the value of n equals to 9 the digits given is from 1 to 9 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 तो टोटल डिजिट्स 9 तो n की वैल्यू क्या हो गई 9 द नंबर which is to be formed from these 9 digits will be of 3-digit number it is given how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated so number to be formed is of 3 digits it means that out of the 9 objects we have to take 3 different objects 9 different objects are given but we have to pick up 3 different numbers that is the value of r is equals to 3 therefore the total permutations is given by the formula npr equals to n is 9 r is 3 9p3 since we know the formula factorial n upon factorial n minus r is equals to npr that is npr n थोड़ा p के ऊपर लिखेंगे r थोड़ा नीचे npr is equals to factorial n upon factorial n minus r so here it becomes factorial 9 as n is 9 and n minus r 9 minus 3 it becomes factorial 6 so factorial 9 upon factorial 6 now factorial 9 it is the product of the descending numbers so 9 into 8 into 7 and now we will stop because in the denominator we have here factorial 6 so this factorial 6 and factorial 6 can be cancelled out so factorial 6 and factorial 6 I cancel it out so left out with the numbers 9 into 8 into 7 when we multiply we get 504 so total permutations total numbers of 3 digits can be formed is equals to 504. Now question number 2 of exercise 7.3. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? मीन्स हमको 4 डिजिट वाला नंबर बनाना है जिसमें कोई डिजिट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए सो डिजिट्स आर फ्रॉम 0 to 9 दैट इज 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so total digits from 0 to 9 we are having 10 that is here the value of n that is number of objects is given to us is 10 now we have to form a 4-digit number 4-digit number with the help of the given 10 digits so 4-digit number consists of unit place tens place thousand place and 10,000 place so in 10,000 place there must not be a digit 0 placed it there if we are going to put 0 here it will become a 3-digit number so what we have to on filling the thousands place the first work we have to include only the 9 numbers 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to fill the 1000 place, the number of ways will be 9. Okay. Now we are left out with 100, tens and place. 3 places are left out. This 1000 place is filled up excluding 0 by 9 ways. And the remaining 100 tens unit place can be filled by remaining 9 digits, because one of the digits we have already used it. Suppose we have used 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6 we will exclude it, 8, 9. So we are left up with now 9 numbers. Now these 9 digits and the places are 3. 9 digits and the places are 3, and no digit is to be repeated. So the number of ways of filling the remaining this 310 and unit place will be 9p3 factorial 9 upon factorial 9 minus 3 as npr equals to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So factorial 9 upon factorial 6, that becomes 9 into 8 into 7 factorial 6 upon factorial 6, that can be cancelled out. So 9 into 8 into 7 we get in 504. Then by the fundamental principle, the first work what we have done, we have filled up the 1000 place by excluding 0 by 9 ways. And the second work what we have done it, we have filled the remaining of the 3 places 100, tens and unit place by 9p3 ways. So total number of ways will be, or total number of 4-digit numbers will be 9 into 504, 4536 are the numbers of 4 digits, where we are using the digits 0 to 9. Now question number 3 of exercise 7.3. Find how many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 if no digit is repeated? So the digits given are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So total digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of objects or number of digits, you can say here the value of n is equals to 6. Now we have to form a 3-digit even number from taking the digits from these numbers. So to make it as a even number, unit place must have an even number, and out of the given digits we are having even digits 2, 4 and 6. Only 3 digits we are having even. So either here it can be 2 or 4 or 6. So number of ways becomes 3 ways. So the unit digits can be filled by 3 ways by any of the digits 2, 4 or 6, because we have to make a even number. Now this place even number is occupied by either a number 2 or 4 or 6. इन तीनों में से कोई एक ही नंबर आएगा. So now we are left out with, suppose I have filled up here with 6. So we are left out with now how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits. Only we are left out. And how many places we are left out here now? 2 places, tens place and hundreds place. So from these 5 digits we have to now fill up 2 places without repetition of any digits, that the digits cannot be repeated. The remaining 2 places, out of the 5 digits can be filled by now 5p2 ways, that is npr factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 2, 5 into 4, descending will stop it. Factorial 3, as factorial 3 will be cancelled out in the denominator. So 5 into 4, 20. So by fundamental principle, the first work is done by to fill the unit place by even number. How many ways there are? 3 ways. Now the second work which has been done to fill the remaining of the 2 places, tens place and hundred place, out of the 5 digits by 5p2 ways. So first work is done by 3 ways, second work is done by 20 ways. So by the fundamental principle, the required number of 3 digit numbers can be 3 into 20, the number of ways of the first work and the number of ways of the second work. So 3 into 20 is equals to 60. Okay? Now question number 4 is find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. How many of these will be even? So here in this question, 2 questions are there. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if no digit is repeated. And the another one is how many of these will be even. So let's see. The digits given are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is total digits given is, objects is given is 5. Now we have to form 4-digit number without any repetition of the digits. So since the repetition of the digits is not allowed, so out of these 5 digits objects, that is 5, we have to pick it up 4 objects, different objects. So without any repetition of the digits, so value of n is here 5 and value of r is here 4. So total 4-digit numbers which to be formed given by the formula npr, so it will become 5p4. By the formula npr equals to factorial n upon factorial n minus r. N is 5, r is 4, so it becomes factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 4. Factorial 5 upon factorial 1. Factorial 1 value is factorial, that is 1 only. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into factorial 1 cancel out. Multiply. So we get 120. So in the first condition, total digits are given 5 and we have to form a 4-digit number without any repetition of the digits. It means that we have to take 4 objects from the 5 given objects. N is 5, R is our 4. So NPR 5P4 and simplified we get the first answer 120 numbers can be formed. For getting an even number, unit digits must be an even. Unit place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. To get a even number, there must be in the unit place even number. How many even numbers are given here? Only 2 even numbers. या तो यहाँ 2 आएगा या तो 4. Either it can be 2 or 4. No any other number will be there. So to fill the unit place, to make it as an even number, the number of ways will be only 2. Okay? Either we can fill 2 or 4. Now, the remaining of the 3 places, that is 10, 100 and 1000. This we have to fill it up from the 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 5. Suppose I have taken the even number in unit place as 4. So this 4, no need of now taking remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 4, I have to fill it up now 10, 100 and 1000 place. That is 3 places. So total number of places will now be coming in 4, 3, 3. as by the fundamental principle, the first work which I have done it to fill the unit place by even number is 2 ways, and the remaining of the 10, 100 and 1000 3 places I have completed my work, this work, by 4p3 ways. So we will take the product of it, 2 into 4p3, which is equals to 2 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 minus 3, 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into factorial 1 factorial cancel, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 2 48. So here we are having two answers. 120 numbers will be there of 4-digit number without any repetition of the digit, and 48 numbers of 4-digit number will be there whose unit place will be even number, even digit. Okay? Now question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can they choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot do more than one position? So, question number 5, read it carefully. From a committee of 8 persons, we have to select 2 persons as their position will be chairman and vice chairman, and one person cannot be given the 2 positions. So, number of persons in a committee is given 8. 2 persons have to be selected. One is to be chairman and another is to be vice chairman, in such a way that they must not hold, any one person cannot hold both the positions. Means एक ही व्यक्ति को अपन chairman और vice chairman नहीं बना सकते. Both the positions, one person cannot hold it. So we have to select 2 different persons for 2 different positions out of the given 8 persons. So here the value of n is 8 and value of r is 2, as we have to select 2 persons, vice chairman or chairman, vice chairman or and chairman, 2 different persons from the given 8 persons. So total number of ways will become 8p2 equal to factorial 8 upon factorial 8 minus 2, as we know that NPR is given by factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So it becomes 8 into 7, stop to factorial 6, as denominator there is a factorial 6, we can able to cancel it out. So factorial 6 cancel out, 8 into 7, 56. So there are 56 ways of making a 2-person, one chairman and another vice chairman out of the 8 persons. Okay? In the next class, we will discuss some more problems about the permutation and combinations. Thank you.